I'm not mad. I just like to know beforehand. I wasn't warned. I also didn't watch this trailer, so I guess that's my fault. That's my fault. I should have known. I should have been prepared. I wasn't prepared. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Here we do K-pop reactions. I can't speak, I'm so excited. Stray Kids reaction today. Come back. We're here. It's time. Okay. I just woke up. I haven't even eaten breakfast. I have a cup of Cheerios here to munch on because today's the day. Today's the day. So I put on a shirt. Here we go. Stray Kids, Thunderous, the comeback. I'm just so excited. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna cut this. Let's get into it. Like, animation in these music videos has been pretty popular. Like in Ween's Watercolor, in IU's whatchamacallit, that song that IU did with Suga. Like, I really like the mixed media. I really like that. It's getting real creative. I think Jan's wearing a crop top. Crop top. My dude, why is your chest just out? This man's chest is just out. Ooh. No! Oh, guys. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I am lost. I'm overwhelmed. I'm gonna go back a ways because I got lost in the visuals, and then they started hitting me with these aggressive horns and bass. I don't know why I expected anything else. And Chan's abs are just out. They're just out and about today. And then I saw Hyunjin. Okay, yeah, you know how it is. You know how it is. Also, this is fantastical. This is such a creative, like, Stray Kids is just out here. They're just out here doing the whole thing. I can't stand it. I love it. You know when Benny, this is the last time I'm gonna pause, but when Benny starts the song, it's gonna be right. He started God's Menu also, and we all knew what it was. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Its chest is just out. Woo! All right, Hyunjin and Chanel. It's a movement. It's a movement. Hyunjin and Chanel? Jinny and Chanel?
이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서질 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick 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 I don't bend you 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양증 백은 조차도 배라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 버려 Come after 우리
Evie! He's all sweet again. Can we expect shirtless Bangchan for the rest of my life? Is that the move? Because that can be the move. Distracting. Wait, how does Felix's hair keep changing? It's all black here. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh my god. I'm overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed, I'm a little scared. Noodle was in hair clips. Chris's abs were out. They had all of the brass, all of the bass, animation, digital art here. My face feels like it melted. I know there's a story in here, but the cuts were so aggressive, my eyes couldn't keep up. I can't keep up with this. My brain feels like it's gonna melt. Wait, okay. Let's do it again. And this time I'm gonna focus. Also, these lyrics, I can't do it all. I can't do lyrics and watch Hyunjin be adorable and watch Ian be adorable and keep up with the changes in Felix's hair, you know, like, and notice Bangchan's abs, like, and read subtitles. I can't do it all. I am not God. So the subtitles, whatever they're saying, like the little Korean that I can pick up, I'll pick it up. But these subtitles, we're not here for them today. Not right now. Maybe next time. It's so fast. There are spirits. Oh! They're spirits! Okay. Wait a minute. Woo! That hit sword! Hi, baby. Wait, what's so cute? Also, the modern handboks are a whole move. Modern handboks with new age sneakers. The stylist needs to be paid more. Is his chest just gonna be out forever? I'm not mad. I just like to know beforehand. I wasn't warned. I also didn't watch this trailer, so you know, I guess that's my fault. That's my fault. I should have known. I should have been prepared. I wasn't prepared. Ooh. Woo! Woo! What the fuck? Man, that's so cute. Hey. My God. Does that not go too hard? I love it. Hey. Whoa! I'm getting yin and yang vibes. Can someone explain to me what the fuck is going on in this music video? Because I cannot keep up. I feel like you need a PhD to keep up with some of these music videos. But these edits are nice. What is the yellow? Woo! There's so many different eras. Like, I know the twirly headband dudes in like Joseon era. Who are the dudes in yellow? Who are these dudes with the feather hats and the yellow and the drum? What era is this? By God. Ayo. Ayo! I love it when they give us a cheeky smile. Hey! Alright, baby. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna say it right now. Sunmin is the hidden dancer of Stray Kids. If you know, you know. He's the hidden dancer of Stray Kids. He should be in Dance Line because he's that good. The boy can move.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick, tick, tick? I don't bend you. Already 걸리니 멋있는 척들이 양팀. Back it.
What the fuck was that?
I don't bend you. Already 걸리니 멋있는 척들이 양팀. Back it. 조차도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들. 들어봐. 짓가. 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 봐.
They were in the palace, we're out of the palace. Who's coming to storm the palace? I need a minute. I need 2 minutes. Okay. I'm back. I took 5. I took 5, and now I have thoughts that are concise. And like I watched it again because I didn't think anybody wanted to sit through me watching it like 16 times. But I watched it again and I think I understand the story. So I'm gonna parrot what I think is right or what's going on, and then tell me in the comments if I'm right, or tell me in the comments what your theories are or what you know. If you know something concrete, I want to know. Okay, so there's like an ad because there's wild shit happening. Wait a minute. This is Stray Kids. Because the hats, the beads, the red, this is Stray Kids. So they're the spirits, right? They're the spirits that have come to help the townspeople do whatever. And they're made of thunder. That's why there's lightning everywhere. Like they're made of thunder and lightning, which is why there's like lightning and they're blue and their eyes are blue and there's like that sort of electric blue imagery everywhere. I'm about it. I am about it. Okay. Right? So then they show up, they crash land, and here they are. Right? This is them. So the Stray Kids in red are like the Stray Kid spirits. Or like the... Right? And I think these are Stray Kids, like, they're like investigators, or like they're doing some sort of like work, like they've been sort of on the ground fighting. But I think these are human Stray Kids. So the red is spirit Stray Kids and these are human Stray Kids. Hey. And I think these are the demons or something, right? The black, it's ominous, it's scary. Hey. This is a whole movie set. Look at this. I can't with these abs. Like Benchan got his membership to the Big Titty Committee approved by Namjoon. You know what I'm saying? Like, they all go to the same club. They all sit together at lunch. Right? And then the Hanbok Stray Kids is like warrior Stray Kids. Like traditional warrior Stray Kids, I think. And then this is like general Stray Kids. Like this is like army. We are in an elite task force. Like they're in the palace. They're wearing the sash. Like this is like royal army Stray Kids, right? And that's why they're like walking and it's serious. Right, so it's like all of these different groups are fighting all of like the problem. I don't know what the problem is, but they're fighting something, or they're sort of banding together against like the antis. But I'm so about this, right? Right? And they're using like essentially like all of traditional Korean mythology aesthetic to like fight the antis, like the spirits, or the whatever upsetting thing that is upsetting the things. Yeah, they're Stray Kids are the Thunderous ones. They're here to make noise. Right? The speakers. They've been look at the background. Like, it's speakers because they are thunderous, right? It's noise. It's loud, it's aggressive, but then like there's all of this paper in the background. It's like they've been collecting and researching. And this is like their human forms. But I really like they mix all of this, like we're in a traditional sort of Joseon era village, but then like there's a four-wheeler and a race car. Right? And this is the palace, and they're the generals in the palace, right? Strategizing and organizing. Right. Ah. So like Stray Kids in Red, Spirit Stray Kids are all like, they seem to be with the traditional elements of Korean culture. So like the ribbon twirlers and the drums and the dragon puppets, because like it's the traditional elements, like the like traditional mythology, and that's where they're centered around. And then the generals are around the army, because like they're the generals. That's why they have the sashes and the shoulder thingy mabobbers, the tassels, and then they're surrounded by like the army. Like this is the army, and like the royal court. And then this is like human stray kids, and they're with people. What? Yeah, and the people are uprising. The people are upset. These people are upset. And they're upset with them. Like, they fight for the people, I think. And that's why they were, like, collecting things from the bulletin board. It's like daytime Stray Kids. Spirit Stray Kids at night, doing nonsense. Right? It's these dudes. Hey. Right. Stray Kids. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Stray Kids are the spirits. They're the Thunderous ones, right? And then they're like different groups. So there's like the generals in the palace. They're like the fighters in the modern hanboks. And then there's like human stray kids that fight for the people in like Chanel. But they're always with the people and like with like townspeople behind them, or like they're walking through the town because like that's where they operate. And like they're just like looking for the problems. And they fight them with the Thunderous spirits. I don't know if that made any sense, but that was cinematic. Like the whole, even the way it was filmed was very cinematic. Like these sets were, like JYP said, here's the money, take the budget, take the budgets. Between the animation and the cuts and the sets and the costume design, they said take the budgets. Cards even. Oh Christ, that was great. I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna wrap it up here because this is now too long. It's too long and I'm hot. So I'm gonna go eat breakfast properly now. Stray Kids is great. Stray Kids, I don't know who has a problem with Stray Kids. I don't know what their problem is with Stray Kids, but like if you don't see the vision, you need glasses. If you don't see the vision, you're blind. And I'm sorry. But that's not my business. Go to the eye doctor. Go to the ear doctor. That's it for today. I'm gonna go. Bye guys.